Maybe it's time for a good pork roast, or when you roast them in the ground over coals.
Well, on the coals, something to stay warm. I'm sure if you were outside, you needed a hand warmer of some sort today. We were up in Chopper 5 and a soupy mix across the valley. Yes, Ben Tidswell flying Chopper 5. It looks like we're heading over the ridge line here and looking down towards the valley. You can oh, look at that. We have a bunch of elk on the ridge line. As we pivot around looking back towards the valley, though, copious amounts of haze and smog, and it is not a good situation. It is one that we will see improvement in the weather for tomorrow. In the meantime, red air quality from Cache all the way to Utah, Salt Lake, Davis, Weber, and Box Elder counties. I saw some pictures today. First of all, we want to show you Kevin Nash's picture in Suncrest, above the fog and above the haze, so you get that beautiful view of Timpanogos Peak. Now, I took some pictures in my yard. Take a look at the rime ice that formed on the trees in my yard. Here's a different picture. Just a little bit farther back, you can see the low clouds and the fog that hung along the bench line, causing the rime along the trees. That'll all change tomorrow as south winds begin to blow. The fog and the haze will be gone, and we will see a chance for snow tomorrow night in particular. Temperatures today really quite variable. Provo on the bench at the BYU campus, 32 for a high, but at the airport, 25 with periods of little snowflakes coming down. Moab was 31 today, Cedar City 36, and St. George 51. Nice day in St. George. Right now, Vernal is 6. Lots of low clouds. The satellite picture still picking them up, and they will remain across the West Desert for the next 24 to 36 hours. We see a little storm here in California. It's bringing some rain. Some of that will move through Arizona. But look at this. Nice little well-defined cold front. That is going to be moving towards Salt Lake City and the Wasatch Front. It will be here tomorrow. In the meantime, we're under high pressure tonight. There's no change in the weather at all. It'll be cold. There will be pockets of dense fog. And until this cold front reaches us in Salt Lake City tomorrow, more of the same. So the high pressure does move eastward during the day tomorrow. The bench areas will start to clear just a little bit as the south wind blows ahead of the front. Then the front goes by. We see periods of snow tomorrow night, 1 to 2 inches in the valleys, 2 to 4 on the benches, 4 to 10 inches in the mountains. Very cold air with this upper low, so it turns quite a bit colder. Chance for snow in Cache Valley late tomorrow and Sunday. Again later in the week. Fog in between and very cold. Wasatch back down to -10 by Tuesday, but once again, a slight chance for snow late tomorrow and some wind with tomorrow night and Sunday being the best chance for snow. Uinta Basin. This one's going to come through with a little wind on Sunday. When the wind blows, the temperature goes up. When the wind drops, so does the temperature. How about -18 on Tuesday? Brr. Price and Castle Country warming up with the wind, then cooling down as the inversion moves in. Looks like some snow could develop Thursday, Friday across the eastern and central valleys. Southeastern Utah, slight chance for a little snow Sunday, maybe a little bit Monday, and again later in the week. Temperatures roller coaster riding all the way through the week. Cedar City, your warmest day tomorrow, then dropping considerably to below 0 by Tuesday as the cold air moves in. Some fog possible as well. St. George, well below normal Monday and Tuesday. Then warming up a little bit with a chance for a few showers later in the week. Now for Salt Lake City, Ogden, and Provo, this is a storm front that will move in tomorrow afternoon. The fog and the smog will go away tomorrow evening. Snow develops Saturday night, Sunday, 1 to 2 in the valleys, 2 to 4 on the benches, 4 to 10 in the mountains. 21 and 8 on Monday, 23 and 5 on Tuesday. And then it looks like a little warmer and wetter weather towards the end of the week.
Yeah, better week ahead.
Better week ahead.